My name is Damian Anderson. I'm the Automotive Collision Repair Program Director here at Lanier Technical College. The favorite part of my program, I think, is the hands-on aspect of it. We're in the shop pretty much every day. We basically run a body shop. I'm the body shop manager. The students are the body shop employees. They get lots of hands-on experience. They're actually out there getting dirty every day. I don't really like sitting in front of a computer too much. That's why I got into this field. And most of my students are the same way. We like to get out, we like to get dirty, we like to get experience. Most of my students, they can graduate within a year, year and a half, just depending on if they have to take remedial courses with their core classes, things like that. Most of them are going to go work in the collision repair industry once they get out of the program. Then we learn the basic techniques of collision repair, how to damage or fix damaged metal, straighten damaged sheet metal. Then we get into the painting aspect of it, where they learn to refinish the metal, as well as any kind of buffing, final operations, things like that. So they pretty much learn the whole gamut of collision repair. But like I said, it is to train them for entry-level positions.
My name is Joseph Hennessy. I am a student at Lanier Tech. I am going here for the Automotive Refinishing program. And I am also a Skills USA competitor who just won first place in the state competition. And I absolutely love it. I mean, it's a fantastic program. We actually apply real-world techniques and processes rather than just sitting in a classroom all the time and just working in a book. So having that hands-on experience is definitely a big plus side to this program.
I always liked cars, and I kind of went down to the last minute. I was gonna go and do motors, and but I also at the last minute I just said, you know what, let's do the cars. We can do the motors later. And I came here and I come back. So like it's one thing is I look forward to every class. So I mean, every time it comes, I just wake up and I'm ready. Let's get it going.
The students can find more information about the program through the website. You can find my email address. It's danderson@laniertech.edu, or you can call me on my office phone, 770-533-6929.